Good morning, dear students. I am S.U. Faruqi. I hope you all are fine. Today, I am going to teach the second part of first chapter from Geography book. That is types of resources. I had taught in previous video about the definition of resources, utility, value, and factors. I hope you will get more benefits from this video, and this video make your chapter easy. Dear students, let us start the chapter. Open your notebook, textbook, and mention the important points in your notebook for future use. So start. Dear students, how can you divide resources? How can you divide resources? Dear students, there are three types of resources. Resources are generally classified into three types. First type, natural resources. Second type, human made resources. And third type, human resources. Now, first, we talk about first type of resources. First type is natural resources. So, now discuss the first type, natural resources. Dear students, how can you, dear students, what are called natural resources? Yeah, what is meant by natural resources? Dear students, resources that are taken from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. For examples, the air we breathe, the water in our rivers and lakes, the soils, minerals, trees, mountains are all natural resources. In this way, resources that are obtained from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. On the other hand, we can say anything and everything that is available naturally on the earth is a natural resource. Dear students, now we discuss the second topic of resources, that is human made resources. Dear students, when humans use natural things to make something new that provides utility and value our lives, it is called human made resources. For instance, when we use metals, wood, cement, sand, and solar energy to make buildings, machinery, vehicles, bridges, roads, they become man made resources. Likewise, technology is also a man made resources. Some other examples: Water is a natural resource, but people used water and created electricity. So, electricity is a human made resource. ठीक इसी प्रकार से नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, ग्रास, trees are the natural resources, but people use these things and create medicine, furniture, which are human made resources. So, can you guess what is the difference between natural resources and human resources? Dear students, natural resources are provided by nature, whereas human made resources have been created by human beings. In this way, we can say that human made resources are those resources which have been created by humans. Dear students, now we talk about the third type of resources, that is human resources. Dear students, because humans have the skills, intelligence, and knowledge and use technology to transform a natural resource into usable and valuable things, they themselves become a resource. That is what we know as human resource. Hence, human beings, people are a special and most important resource. Education and health help in making people a valuable resource. Improving the quality of people's skills so that they are able to create more resources is known as human resource development. Now, dear students, note some questions for homework. Question number first. Make a list of 5 human made resources that you can observe around you. Question number 2. How are human made resources different from natural resources? Dear students, if any doubt, then write to me on WhatsApp group. I will solve your doubts. We will meet again in next video for next topic. So take care, stay at your home and be safe. Goodbye.